older boys hip hop on Friday. This is going to be a couple of notes for our routine car wash. So y'all know you've been working on this, and we now know the entire routine. So I want to make sure that as you continue to practice with this video, that we hit these few points. So I want to make sure that when we do this ripple, you know, the part where we all walk together, you boys get real close together, and Donnie is the first one that goes. We want to make sure that you hit the letter L first on your number 1. And we go down the ripple. So it would be Donnie goes, then the next boy, next boy, next boy. And we do that to the count of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then all of the boys at the same time are going to drop their hands down. 5, 6, 7, 8. And you're going to stay crouched down in this. Then you have the second ripple, which starts with your window, where you open your window. And we do that for the 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then all of the boys are going to close and stand tall. Third ripple is where we drop down, you put your hands onto your knees, and we also do that for the 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you all stand up and you spread out back to your line that you're in when you're dancing. So that's the first note. Then our next one is you boys are really starting to know this routine, which is awesome. But sometimes when we know routine really well, we can speed up. So we can dance much faster than the music or the counts. So we want to make sure that we dance the speed we actually need to go. You don't want to speed up. You don't want to be 3 steps ahead of the step you're supposed to be doing. So then the last little thing is I want to make sure we have a real clear video of our C to C, which is our little break dancing bit that we have in this. So we start by dropping down. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we plant on the right side and we flick 5, 6, 7, 8, and you bring it back behind you. Then you're going to flick. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you're going to flip 5, 6. You're going to flick 7, 8. Bring it back behind you. 1, 2, 3, 4. Place 5, 6. Then you're going to flick 7, 8. And then you stand back up and cross your arms. So these are all the notes that I want to make sure that you boys really, really work on until we can get together again to practice here in the studio.